To replace a bicycle tire, lay your bike on its side with the chain facing up. If you're removing a back tire, adjust the gears so that the chain is on the smallest, outermost gear. Turn the quick release lever to release the wheel or loosen the nuts with a wrench. Detach the brake cables if necessary, then lift the wheel off the frame. Let all the air out of your tire and use a tire lever to release the tire from the rim. Work a second lever all around the edge of the tire counterclockwise to loosen the tire. Then pull out the deflated inner tube. Inspect both the tube and the tire and replace them if you notice any damage. Slightly inflate the inner tube and push it into the tire. Then push the air valve through the hole in the wheel rim. Ease the tire back into one side of the wheel rim. Then push the other side into place. Screw the lock ring down over the air valve if you have one. Then inflate the tire to the correct pressure. Set the wheel back into place on the axle and tighten the quick release valve or the nuts. Reconnect the brakes if necessary.